Hi friends, welcome back to Saptagiri construction. Today I am at Belur industrial area Dharwad and we are constructing this two industrial site each of 4000 square foot. It is 4000 square foot one site and another site of 4000 square foot, and in this video I will be giving you details about number of bars used, types of column, and I will explain you with help of the reinforcement drawings. Now I will give you details about this column. This column size is 28 inch in this direction and 22 inch in this direction, and corners of each column we have used 20 mm bars. You can see this 20 mm bar, and remaining bars are 16 mm diameter. You can clearly make out the difference. This is 20 mm bars, this is 16 mm bars, and this type of column we have provided it in corners of the building. Each column we have used 4 numbers of 20 mm bars and 10 number of 16 mm bars. Company of this bars is Tata Steel, Tata Tiscon 550 ST. Now I will show you the middle column. Middle columns are of different size and I will explain you about that. Size of middle columns of this industrial building is 28 inch in this direction, 15 inch in this direction, and same like in the previous column, the size of the corner of column is 20 mm bars. Middle bars are of size 16 mm, and we have used 20 mm bars of 1 2 3 4 number of 20 mm bars, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 number of 16 mm bars. That is corner column. This is the middle column with the different size. This is also the middle column. And this is the corner column. Now I will tell you the details about this beam. The height or the depth of the beam is 18 inch. From this point to this point, this is 18 inch. Thickness of the beam is 9 inch. And this is a 12 mm bar. 6 number of 12 mm bars are being used. 3 over here and 3 over bottom place. And rings are of 8 mm diameter. Distance between the bar is 6 inch center to center. They have fixed this bar. They have not fixed this bar. You can see the marking over this place. Still the work is going on. Now I am showing you the layout plan of this building. This is plinth beam layout plan. This is excavation layout plan. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.